Today I'm unboxing and trying out this foldable desk lamp. Inside of the box you'll receive the foldable lamp, a clamp, the power block, and the instructions manual. The lamp is sturdy and very adjustable with a lamp head that can be rotated. It sturdily clamps onto your desk and can be easily adjusted to your desired height and position. The controls are simple and allow you to turn it on, select cool or warm light modes, brighten or dim the light, set a timer, and turn it off. This lamp is perfect for reading, writing, studying, and more.